Alright guys, welcome to back to okay, so I did not show um this because I had it upside down, but from the previous video, that's what that looks like. Okay, but today I have this electronic dry swatter thing, and it says it will be 4,000 volts to, so I do have the probe, and it runs off of two DC chips. Well, it runs off 2D batteries. So 3 volts. We got 3 volts. We got 3 volts. We got 3 volts right there. Okay, so let's. Okay, and you can see this one operates at about 18 kilohertz. So this of the diodes, I just like the other one. This was a so simple circuit. Sometimes you'll turn it over and there's all kinds of capacitors and stuff on there, which is making engineering the best. But I love it when it's just really a simple circuit like that. So this is the one from the previous video, and this one is very simple too. So it just has the let's get in there. It just has the transformer and the transistor and one resistor, and then it's marvelous. It's just so simple. So simple, but it has to be exact. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. So we did witness the 18 kilohertz is what it operates on. Okay, and then let's check the voltage with this, and I think we could do that by, oh yes, Sparky. We need Sparky. Okay, I guess we'll just, I do have the high voltage thing. Well, it does say 4,000 volts, so okay. So, wow. So that is 3,454 volts. Operating at 18 kilohertz. A little simple circuit on Amazon. I have to take these things apart. I have to take these things apart, and you could do so much other stuff with it. But yeah, that's awesome. There's a little Sparky. Well, we need all those volts. We need all those volts to electrocute the bugs. Can't have any bugs with Is that not? They did a really good job on the Swatter part of this. They did a really good job on the Swatter. Oh, it went back to AC. Why did it do that? Why did you do that? That's the problem. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so, I mean, are we going to argue over 600 volts? It will destroy the bugs. It will destroy the bugs. 18 kilohertz on there. Yeah. So this one you could use you could do a lot of things to make projects with it, and it's simple. Um, but it's supposed to kill the bugs, and we do have bug killing power with uh, uh, almost all of them. Okay, and then the other project I had, I could do, is I have this tester, and I did purchase 180 of these capacitors from Electronic Gold Mine. So, for my high voltage projects that I love so much, so I have 180 of these, and I thought we could just test them to make sure. Well, you have to test it. Why would you want to put something in there? I mean, Electronic Gold Mine gets the stuff as scratch and dent or bulk, so they're probably all really good, but it would be very interesting to see like how they fall out with the capacity, like the projects you could build. See, look, the capacitors and the high voltage. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. I'll make more in the future.